What is calculated columns in Power BI? A calculated column is an extension of a table using a DAX formula that is evaluated for each row. The values in calculated columns are evaluated when you first define them or when you refresh your dataset. Once evaluated, the values are stored in your data model, which means your data model size increases and it consumes more RAM. The values in calculated columns are evaluated when you first define them or when you refresh your dataset. Once evaluated, the values are stored in your data model, which means your data model size increases and it consumes more RAM. So I have opened Power BI desktop, clicking on Get Data and SQL Server. I am selecting my local SQL Server. I am selecting AdventureWorks database. There I have person.person table. Clicking on load. So the data is loaded on Power BI desktop. Clicking on data. So you can see here. Here I have three columns named with first name, middle name, and last name. So I'll create a new calculated column with those columns. So I'll create a full name column with first name, middle name, and last name. I'll click on the new column, and here in the formula bar we have to write the DAX query. Let's rename the column as full name. You can see here whenever we are typing a column name, we can select the auto populated column name from the drop down. After writing the formula, you can either press enter key or click on the commit button. You can see here the full name column is there with the first name, middle name, and last name. Also the full name column is there in the column list. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video is useful, do like, share and subscribe.